10 days later. I've got nothing there. Anyone in this one? Just one. 2 trees popping up. So bonsai update day 12. This was my first one to sprout, and it's doing great. That little one's struggling, but I think it'll be okay. This was Passia abies. This is the first one to sprout. And today, another one is sprouting. Look at that. This is Pinus sylvestris. So, day 12, looking good. The other two, lagging behind. Come on, guys, you can do it. So here we are at day 18, and this tree is doing really well. All 3 seeds have sprouted. And I'm keeping them in the sun a lot every day, and at night I put them on the heating pad to keep them warm, and looking good. And then this tree, this one, sprouting up nicely as well, and there's a little baby trying to come up too. Oh, is that one right there? Oh my gosh, I just noticed that just now. So 3 of them are coming up. 3 out of 3. For Pinus sylvester. I'm just going to call this one Sylvester. And the other 2 not doing anything. I don't see any green coming up at all. Jacaranda mimosifolia Jack is doing nothing. He's doing Jack. And then Delonix Reggie, yeah, nothing Reggie yet. Now that I've taken a second look, Reggie is growing something. Right there. It's coming up. I was looking for something green, so I totally overlooked it. But right there, it's going to be white. A white shoot. So this is exciting. Good morning, sunshines. Day 13. Things are popping there, looking good. And Reggie, oh, look at that. Reggie is about to pop out and just say hi to the world. Look at that. Oh, cool. 3 weeks. Oh, looks good. So it looks like Reggie survived the encounter with the cat yesterday. Seems to be going strong this morning. And everybody else looks okay. Jack is still not doing anything. It's been 3 weeks. I don't know if any of the seeds are going to germinate. Day 27. And we can see Reggie is doing great. But he's the only one out of the 3 I planted. He's the only one that sprouted up. But it's okay. He's strong and doing good. Day 29. And look how good Reggie looks. And look, there's a little baby coming up. Right there. Kind of close together. Hope it works out. Jack still doing Jack. Although there's something right there. Oops, focus, focus. Right there. But I didn't put a seed that close to the pot, so I don't know what that is. And the other guys, kind of the same. I don't think this third one is viable. So here we are at week 6, and not a lot has changed. So for Sylvester, I planted more seeds in here about a week ago because, as you can see here, he's sort of droopy, and I don't even know if it's alive anymore. But there is, one of the seeds has sprouted. So we may get another Reggie, one of these coming out. So we'll see. And this one, not doing well either. I also put more seeds in here, but nothing's happening yet. And this guy is looking a little droopy, and he has not gotten any taller in weeks. Now, Reggie is doing great. It's this one here. 2 of them have now sprouted, and they're competing for who's the strongest, because I will have to eventually weed out all but one tree in each pot, and that's the one that will continue. So it's going to be a tough call on this one because they're both doing so well. But the rest of these, I don't know, not great. Now the last one, Jack, still nothing. I planted about 2 more seeds in here, and I'm going to keep at it until Jack does something, but I don't know. Doesn't look good.